about a year ago I started this channel, and the monetary gain is cool, but being able to help you guys with your cars and do stuff for cheap, because not everyone like me, you know, either grew into money or grew up into money, or you know, has family that has money. So you kind of got to build everything from the ground up. So that's what I've been doing. I've been really enjoying growing this brand with you guys, sharing tips and tricks and DIY mods and whatnot. And now we're at 5,000 subscribers. So I didn't really know when I would reach this goal. Some might say a year is a long time to reach it. Some might say it's not. But I'm really excited. And you guys really are what make it happen. And I love seeing those comments, hearing that you guys like the videos, because I put a lot of work and effort into them to help you guys out. So tonight we're gonna celebrate. We got our special 5K cookies right here. I'm gonna walk to the camera, show you guys. Right here, we got our 5K subscriber cookie gift. This is an exclusive gift that YouTube sends you when you hit 5,000 subscribers. So far, I think only me and TJ Hunt have gotten them, but thanks YouTube. But no, we're gonna celebrate, and we got a bunch of stuff coming up. I'm excited to start a big project of mine that I've been wanting to do since I started this channel, and it's gonna be dropping soon. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be massive, and it involves you guys. So look forward to that, and we're gonna enjoy these 5K cookies because we deserve them. So thank you guys so much for 5K, and I'll see you guys next week.